Hey guys, thank you so much for watching my vlog. Today I just want to talk about a great new product that I recently ordered and it just worked really great for me and I just wanted to share. You have all probably heard about Leptitox, but in my opinion, this product is amazing because of three main reasons. While other weight loss products, they work on the symptoms of obesity, Leptitox is the only natural product that actually treats the root of the problem. And the most amazing thing about this product is that you do not have to change your diet and you do not have to exercise or change your daily schedule. When you order, you get free shipping and 60 days, 100% money back guarantee. So if for any reason you don't like this product, you can simply get a full refund. All those reasons just make this product risk-free to try, and it's truly amazing. This product really worked for me. I started to see results after just 2 weeks. I highly recommend this to anyone trying to lose weight. You can click the links in the description to order this amazing product today. Thanks for watching.